What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11. To make your taskbar transparent, you need to download a free app called Translucent TB from the Microsoft Store. Start by opening the Microsoft Store on your computer by searching for it in your Start menu search and hit Enter. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click on the search bar at the top and type Translucent TB. This is a free app designed to customize the appearance of your taskbar. When you see the app in the search results, click on it. On the apps page, click the Get button on the left side to start downloading the app. Once the download is complete, click Open to launch the app. As soon as the app opens, you will notice that your taskbar becomes transparent. It's as simple as that, but there are additional customization options you can explore. To access these settings, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the Show Hidden Icons arrow. Find the Translucent TB icon, which will be labeled when you hover over it. Right-click on the icon to open the menu for customization options. From here, click on Desktop and choose your desired taskbar appearance. For example, selecting Normal will return your taskbar to its default look, while choosing Clear will make it fully transparent. You can try out the different options to see which one you like best. Once you're happy with the settings, your taskbar will remain transparent, giving your desktop a clean and modern look. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.